Hello, guys. How are you going? Welcome to English Tuition. In this lesson, we are going to learn the use of no wonder in sentences. So, you may come across its use in many articles, blogs, newsletters, and other write ups. Now, no wonder you will love to learn its use, for you want to use it in your sentence, right? Now, before we jump to the structure and examples, we need to know when it is used. Well, it is essentially used to say that something is not surprising. In other words, it means something which is expected. Sometimes, when you are not surprised by something that happens, you may use this expression. Right? Now, let's jump to the structure. Look at the structure. All you need to do is to start your sentence with no wonder and then say the rest of the sentence. Sometimes you can start it by saying, it's no wonder that, and then rest of the sentence should follow. Let's check out some examples. No wonder you are exhausted. You haven't had enough sleep last night. Sometimes you are not having enough sleep, so it's no wonder that you will be exhausted. In such case, you can say this way, no wonder you are exhausted. You haven't had enough sleep last night. No wonder they will fail in the exam. They haven't studied well. So lack of study and preparation means obvious failure in the exam, right? There is nothing to be surprised about it. Now let's look another example. No wonder he is hungry. He hasn't eaten anything since morning. So you are not going to be feeling full when you keep fasting since morning, do you? Longing for food is quite expected. Let's check out some other examples. No wonder that most people consider a meal to be incomplete without potatoes. For many of us, to think a meal with any item of potatoes is just impossible. So it's not surprising that meal will contain some preparation of potatoes. Or you can say no wonder that the meal will contain some preparation of potatoes. Correct? No wonder they will bear grudge and seek revenge. Maybe you have done some wrong to them. Now they are going to take revenge or seek revenge. So stay alert. He felt insulted. It's no wonder that he should leave the palace. Now, so considering the way he's insulted, it's not surprising to see him leave the palace. Hopefully now it's quite clear how we can use no wonder in a sentence. Thanks for watching this video. Drop your comment in the comment section, like and share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks again.